Guys, welcome to another video. Today we are at, as you can see, Lincoln Road.
Number 85.
Bridge number 85. One of you guys actually suggested we should try the Acox Green Alton area, so that's exactly what we're doing. So let's have a look, see what we can get out today.
Let's see what he's got.
Right, we've got a coin.
Tuppy. Oh, lots of nails.
Loads of nails.
And leaves.
Oh, we've got a penny as well.
Yay, we're rich.
We've got a penny. And on this side, a little computer button.
Where? Oh, H.
With a little H on it.
Oh, look at that.
How cute.
Oh, so there's going to be a computer down there.
Yeah, or at least a keyboard.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
How cool.
I can see he's got something. A plate or something. Oh, a sign. Pedestrian.
Pedestrian. Oh my god.
At least it's not the Men at Work one.
Yeah, we've upgraded.
Yeah. Right, he's bringing something else up. Oh, a fork.
Garden fork. Yeah.
I'll add to the collection we've got.
Yeah.
And monkeys are that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, God, I nearly tripped over then. Oh, that's off some sort of fence or something. Which is, oh, where are Yes,
Yeah,
some sort of
possibly.
bracket or fence or something. Decorative, isn't it?
Yeah. Or a gate or something.
Yeah,
Cool.
it's cute. Look what it's bringing up. Oh, it's just a tyre. Was you just hooked on that then?
Yeah, it's got metal on the rim, hasn't it?
Here it comes. No, it ain't. It's just a tyre, isn't it? You must have just been hooked on it.
It's only a little tired. I'm only a little tired today.
Oh, look at him. Eee. Oh well. One for the bin. So there must be a bike or something over there because it felt as though you come off something over there.
Yeah.
So try again. Plop it in. Ooh. There he goes. It's very cold today. Freezing. Oh, that looks like the bike. Oh no, it's
No,
not.
it don't. It looks like a chair.
It is. It's a chair, isn't it? Fishing chair, perhaps. Oh, we dropped it. Come back.
Yeah, man. I'll take you. I'm doing it.
Yeah, look, it's one of the fold-up chairs. Oh, wow. Oh! Oh, it's pissing everywhere.
One seat for you.
No, you're okay. I'll stand.
It's slimy.
Yeah, it's definitely like from when they're fishing, isn't it? That.
Yeah.
Cool.
Like a director's
That was
chair.
cool.
Isn't
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's good. Oh, it says he's putting something in. Let's see what it is.
It's a bit weighty.
What the hell is that?
Don't know, but it's got SAS written on it.
Oh my god. Oh, it's got something else. Some sort of clamp in it. Oh, does it say clamp there?
SAS clamp.
What the hell's SAS clamp?
Never heard of it.
Oh yeah, what's it say there?
Safe and secure.
Not very. Is
Safe
it?
and secure products, Bristol. Right. Okay.
What do they mean? Like a clamp to a car or what?
Hang a foggy store there.
I don't know. Still good though.
You never know what anything comes out. So.
No, I know. I just like the guessing. I'm never right, but I like playing. Something. Oh, it's got something. Scooter, bike, no?
That's big, whatever it is.
Oh, it's a shopping trolley.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, it is. Oh, look at that.
It is.
Ugh, and a branch with it.
Branching out.
Oh my god. Shoot. There he goes.
We got it.
What one's this? It's green. That's normally Asda, isn't it?
Asda, I think. Asda. Yeah, Asda.
I think Asda's the green on it. Can't see any words on the handle.
Hang on, let me turn it out.
It's an old one as well. It hasn't got a money slot, has it?
They've probably pulled it off, that's how they've robbed it.
Oh, maybe. No, look. There ain't nothing on there. Oh, it's
Safeway?
Safeway. Forgot about Safeway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it stinks.
Yeah, take the best.
Eee. There's a bag around the thing as well. I don't know if anything's in there.
Boom.
But we are going to take the bag with us as well, just to tidy up.
Yeah, we can't bring the bag back in.
No, we're not going to. Oh, that does stink. That's been down there years. Pong. Proper pongs. What's it got now?
A monkey paw.
Oh, no, you've
it's not a fishing
got
rod.
fishing reel thing. The bar's not. That's just two separate things there. Fishing reel and whatever bar that is. That's to a bike. Do you think?
Yeah, it's got the quick release there. So
That's
it's
to a bike.
push bike, yeah.
And a fishing reel.
I want a fishing reel.
Yeah.
Boy, Ronnie.
Let's get going. See if he thinks it's any good.
He'll probably throw it back at me.
Let's see what he's got. Ah, it's one of them pump action screwdrivers.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Yeah, my dad used to have one of them. It is, isn't it?
Kind of works as well. Oh no, it's just
No, because you have to push it up and down, don't you? It saves you turning you on your wrist.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
That's
it's
rotten.
gammy. But wow,
That's really interesting, though.
it is. Give it a clean up anyway and see what
Stanley?
happens. Oh, Stanley. Who's Stanley?
Stanley.
That is good. Some interesting things in this. Let's see what he's got now. Oh, something red. There's the bike, is it?
Yep.
Yeah, it is. There's a bike in there somewhere. Oh, a bit of a bike. Oh, God. Oh, they've just took it apart. What's that? That's just dropped. It's got like a... Oh, interesting. What's that?
Looks like a belt buckle. Hang on.
No, it looks like a...
Over there.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the gunk that comes out of it. Oh, it's just come off. Oh no, it's some sort of religious thing, I think. Turn it round. So it's got the oh, I don't know. Turn it round. It's got a picture of like the candle things, whatever they're called. Is it? I don't know.
That looks like words to me.
Can't. Won't focus. We'll have to clean it all and get home.
Yeah, well, because I'm just moving all the
You're
silver
just smudging
around.
it, yeah.
Yeah. We'll have a look when we get
Yeah. Interesting. He's slushing something. Oh, pipe. Is it off the bike, do you think? Oh no, it's the wrong colour.
in. Unless there's another boy.
Yeah. Do you think that tyre is off that bike?
Possibly.
Yeah. A monkey bar. I've had to switch back on because he's got this like... Oh look, there's an earring. That's...
That looks
Not
like
a-
off a lighter.
There's a little key there, a chain,
Bottle top.
bottle top.
That
Another
coin
bottle
there.
top. Yeah, that don't look... What's it say? Buns. This one talking. There's another little key.
It's tense, isn't it?
10 cents, I think. I don't know. There's 1, 2, 3 keys on there. 4 keys. 4 key or not 2 key? Look at the chain. That's what I'm more interested in.
I ain't even going to try and pronounce that because it's going to come out wrong and sound rude.
What?
That.
Oh, I can't see that. I need new glasses. Just look at this lot. Look.
Yeah.
Key.
Broken key.
Broken key. An earring. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there. Pretty. Yeah, a bit of a lighter though.
Oh, there's the
isn't
back
it?
of the earring.
Oh, well, yeah. No, it might be another earring, so look. I need to put that on your glove. Oh, we're going to have to just clean it all up. That's two, I think that's 2 different earrings. Oh,
Oh.
That blew the
Wow, that's a laugh and a half.
Oh my god.
There's something else there. It looks
What is
heart
it?
shaped.
Looks like a slug.
Do you know, should we just put it in the tub and have a look when we get
I've
it?
got so many keys on that.
Oh, it's all gone back on. Oh, whatever. Put it all back in there.
Just shove it in the back. Oh my god, that was funny. Don't look, there are no holes in that bag, is there?
No, we put it into the tub.
Look at it all. Oh, that chain's broken.
Yeah.
You make sure you get it all off. There's another key there.
Yep.
That should be it, I
We'll
think.
get it all in the tub. That's the key. Oh, some more there. Ah, come on.
Oh god.
It's the only trouble when you have a powerful magnet. You get stuff out, but you can't get it off.
Get it off, yeah.
There
Oh,
we go.
bless him. Come on, have another throw. That was funny. We've got all this stuff from this one spot. We haven't moved.
No.
Wow. I mean, we haven't even gone under the bridge or anything. That side. We've just stayed here.
There's another bridge down there.
There is another bridge down there. That could be another day. Come
Oh,
on.
yeah, definitely.
Because it's freezing. You got anything? Pliers. Is that what they're called?
Wire
They are,
cutters,
aren't they?
these ones.
Oh, wire cutters then.
Yeah.
I was nearly close. They
Right.
might still work, mightn't they?
Nah, it's all tubed.
Oh, it's cheap, yeah. Oh, what a
Broken wire
shame.
cutters. They don't even close together now.
Oh, yeah.
Funny.
Cool. Bring it up. Oh, hello. What's that? What is that? That's a gun.
Yeah, that's a gun.
That is a gun.
Okay, let's be careful.
Yeah, that's a shotgun. Put it on the floor. Sugar. I'm standing over anyway. Yeah, there we go. A gun.
Another trip to the police station?
Yep. Is that like a... Is that a shotgun? Is that a... I don't know about guns. Be careful.
That looks old.
Just put it in the box. Oh my god.
I don't know if that's broke or a sawn off.
The handle's broke off there, isn't it?
Got to be careful, it might be loaded.
Just put it in the box, don't... Oh my god, scary. Yeah, that's going to... Yeah, let's put it on the path. Over there, out of the way. That will be to go into the police station. We don't like guns. Good find though. Oh, he's got something else. Oh, hello. What the hell's that?
hell is that?
It's like a tripod thing, doesn't it? Is it a camera tripod? Oh, there's a little tin there as well. Sardine tin, is
Ocean
it?
Rise sardines.
That is like a tripod, isn't it?
Something's hissing.
What do you mean something's hissing?
Put the camera down there.
Oh my god, Philip. Sure it's not your ears?
Tell me you can't hear that.
I can't hear that.
Put it right down there.
Oh, that sounds like water. I did hear that bit then. Probably full of water.
Yeah, it is some sort of tripod.
Yeah, it's got some words there.
There. Oh, there.
Yeah.
Something 660.
Yeah, that. Yeah, look at all the gunk coming out now. That's. Oh, that stinks. Oh wow, that pen and inks that does. That is definitely a try. I'd say to like
Telescope. isn't it?
telescope, yeah.
Yeah, it could be. Oh, I've no idea.
Still
Or is
cool.
it forks?
Forks?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Forks off something.
Huh?
I don't know.
I'm not understanding you.
No, I'm not understanding myself.
I didn't think you was. Oh my god, see what I have to put up with. No, don't forget this tin as well here. Oh my god. Yeah, though, this. Oh, shit, don't think it fell. Oh my god, a gas bottle. Whoa!
That looks like a fire extinguisher.
Well, gas bottle, extinguisher, same thing to me.
It's nothing like it.
Oh, shut up. Look, there's a hole on the top. Let's see. There. Yeah, it's a fire extinguisher. I thought it was always red.
No, you've got different ones. You've got water, foam and all that.
There we go.
Stuff. The actual thingy bob's missing off it.
Yeah.
The hose.
God, I can't believe the junk in this one spot. We still haven't moved.
Nope. Good for the feet though. I'm going to do loads of walking.
Yeah. He's pulling some up. I think. Whoa!
Oh, hello.
Oh, a bottle just popped up. And how? Oh, I just got concrete on it. Oh! It's got concrete on some bits of wire. What do they call them? It's a reinforcement thing in it.
Rebar, they call it.
Rebar.
Yeah.
I can't believe that bottle just popped up. You're not going to be able to get it now, are you?
I can't find it now. It's clunking on something.
Don't forget there's lips underneath here. It might have gone underneath there. Oh, you got
Have I?
something on there. Whatever that is. It's like to a scraper, a shave, isn't it?
No, that's just a cover for something like this.
Oh, okay. Oh, just in case. It's so cold. Oh, you got something there? I've seen your magnet go lump. There, oh, there it is. It's got concrete on in it. That's just. I thought that was wood then.
No, it's a nail.
Oh, I'll put it back on when he's brought it up, if he brings it up. Right, he's got it now. I think. Yeah, there we go. For all that.
That's what we got.
Yeah.
Right.
Right, we're going to go home now because we don't like having
Well,
this going around.
You're going to go and hand
We're going to
it
go to the police station.
in.
So, yeah, we won't be filming it when we go home, obviously, because we won't have it. Because it's going. There it is. If anyone wants to see it. Yep, so we'll let you know what the police say when we film our things at home. So we've got to try and get this lot back now. So we will see you in a bit.
Well guys, just a quick update for you. We've phoned 101 and they're actually sending out some police officers now to retrieve the shotgun. So we've put it in the van for safekeeping. They've told us not to get in the van in case it goes off and it is loaded, because nobody knows if it's loaded. So we're just waiting for the police to turn up and we'll see what they say when they get here. So well guys, we're back home. It's actually the next morning, because by the time the firearms and the police turned up to sort out the sawn off shotgun, it was dark and it was freezing.
Freezing.
It went really, really cold, and yeah, it took them about just over 2 hours for the firearms to get there. So by that time it was dark, so we couldn't even film the police because it was just dark and it was too cold and the battery was getting flat. So let's have a look at what we did find. Well, what we actually brought home anyway. Right, so we got the fishing reel. Beautiful to jump. Whatever that was off.
Something decorative, isn't it?
Yeah, it's off railings or something.
Yeah.
Fencing. That cover plate off something. Sardine tin. Whatever clamp this is.
There we go.
Then one manky pair of wire cutters. They don't even close. They're that battered. Garden fork. A few poles. That's off a push bike up, I think. Then the, what do you call it, screwdriver?
Screwdriver then.
Yeah, I can't remember what
Push
it's called.
things.
Yeah. Then this, we're
I'm
presuming,
curious about that.
is a tripod.
It might
It's
not
actually
be, but
it might not be, I don't
that's
know
what
what
it
it
looks
is.
like, isn't it?
Yeah,
So if anyone knows what that is,
yeah, because some clamps on there.
yeah, it's interesting, isn't it?
Very interesting. If anyone knows exactly what it
It's
is,
like a surveyor's tripod thing.
because they actually,
They do pull out, don't they? They extend.
yeah, I can't clean it up. The more I try and clean it up, the more the sticker comes
Is it
up.
right?
It's got a 660
That's
on
what
it.
it says.
Yeah.
Someone might know what it is.
Yeah. Then we've got
Like frame.
push bike frame. That looks like some sort of L bracket.
Looks like something parts of a fence to me, but you know, what do I know? I mean, this concrete thing.
Yeah, I need to bash all the concrete
Yeah.
off and get the rebar out of it. Then
Fire extinguisher.
one
Which I've
very
never seen a
full
blue one before.
fire extinguisher. Bike wheel, bike tyre, even. Then yeah, director's chair.
Director's chair.
Pedestrian sign. Last but not least,
There's a ducky. Charlie.
not the dog. the trolley. Oh no, actually, we've got more over here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hang on, I'm falling over everything.
Right, excuse the mess of the table. We've got a bit of a chain there. H button off a keyboard. Never found the keyboard, but there you go. Bottle cap. That's the earring. Couple of keys. 2p and a 1p. Then this is Dutch. It's a fennec. 10 fennec.
I think this is some sort of religious thing, isn't it?
Yeah, if
Don't know what
anyone
they're
knows
called.
what it is.
Yes. I don't know what they're called, but
No, I don't
everything on
know.
the other side.
No, it's just plain. I did clean it up with a brush.
Yeah, so we don't know what they're called. Excuse our ignorance, but you know, we
Ignorance.
just whatever.
You got to put the nut in it.
Oh my god, come on. I can't cope with him, I'm cold. Come
Oh, I
on.
can't help it. It's funny.
Oh my god.
So that was our finds. Yeah, the shotgun was scary. When the actual firearms department came out, they couldn't determine whether it was loaded or not. But
They
did
couldn't
say,
make it safe either, could they? For the police
no,
to take.
they had to put it in a special bag.
And they had to take it, didn't they?
Yes, they did. Yeah. So even though I was a little bit apprehensive over the
Yeah.
shotgun, especially being a sawn off as well. They did say it's been in there quite a while. They says that they're going to put it in the lockup overnight, and the forensics are going to have it today, and they're going to examine it. So they've got my name and number. So
I
I'm
doubt
hoping.
we'll hear off them.
Nah, we never heard off the last one. But
No.
you know, even all the stuff that we handed in from the safe, we haven't heard what
No.
happened off that. But there you go.
It's out of our hands now. So.
Yeah, you know, so we don't even know if anyone got their stuff back, which is a shame. It'd be nice if they did get in touch and let us know what happened, but you know, they've got more important things to do, I suppose.
Yeah.
So on that note, that wraps up yesterday's adventure. Carried on till this morning. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, give us a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. Till the next adventure, take care and we'll see you soon.